Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So in this video I'm going to teach you how to add extension of Honey the super shopping website. So in this is very useful app. You can see joinhoney.com. This is the website of their website, and you can add extension here, and you can see here save money and earn reward when you shop online. Join Honey American #1 shopping tool. Our 17 million members find an average of 126 years in saving. You see here, this is very great application, and here you can see, first of all, I will show you from the first of all, you need to go and search honey. Honey shopping extension. You see the first one, you click here and you will go on this one. See here, you can see add to Chrome. It's free. So basically you come here and add to Chrome and add extension here, and then you can do in this folder, your extension will be saved, and then you can do your shopping through this website. This is very useful. Here you can log in your account. So this is the first video, and if you want to learn more about this, we can join me to another video. Thank you.